Hey, what is up, guys? So today we are opening the baby choo-choo train, and it actually includes Jason Cuddle Bear. Okay. So, and also I checked, and I have 6 subscribers. It's really cool. So you put, hold on. We have to get Jason Bear out with scissors. We're gonna pop it out. See? Pop it out. And we're gonna cut. Oh, and also, this is my sister's toy. She's actually in the background. Say hi. Hi. And, so we got Jason Cuddle Bear. Look at Jason Cuddle Bear! He's so cute. You know, he has a twin. Music Jason Cuddle Bear! That Music Jason Cuddle Bear is mine. It's my Music Jason Cuddle Bear. But, so anyway, we're going to show off all the spots you need to put stickles. Because that is important to know. So, that is flowers. That is flowers. That is a door. That says station. And then the back also says station. And then over here also you gotta put that on. And you gotta put these on, right? Because I wasn't there for that part. I was looking for my toys. Of the sticker doing process. And so this is the train stickers. So look at this train. It says baby train with flowers, more flowers, more flowers, and more baby train signs. And then it also has the big flower thing on the back. And this one has the little flower thing on the back. And then you connect it with this, you attach it to the back, and it makes a choo-choo train. And this, tells cars not to cross. The train is in progress. Choo-choo. Choo-choo. And also, this is my sister's,
It's upside down.
marshmallow mouse triplets. Oh! 3 were born at the same time. Their names are Mary. Here, we'll show you Mary. Mary's the blue one. Blue Mary. Hey, I'm Mary. And then there's Edward. Hi, I'm Edward. Obviously, a baby would have a big, scary voice, right?
Yeah.
And then this is my sister's favorite because it's pink. Pink is awesome. It's Elizabeth. I'm Elizabeth. And then, time to play. And the park, it's officially opened! And this isn't the bunny that went with the, drum. We lost it. Beep, beep, beep. Wait, this is the wrong dude. Who does this? Oh, it's him.
No, it's Kitty.
Who? Oh! Kitty. Beep, 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 beep. Okay, twiplets. Kept saying like twins, and then I'd switch to triplets, and then I would say twins again. They're riding the train first. Yeah. Who was that? Edward, or was that?
Edward.
No. Wait, here.
No, it was Mary.
Oh, yeah, it's Mary.
Oh, Mary.
But it looks like a boy.
I know.
Because it's like in the blue. But I mean, I guess girls like blue.
There's no boy or girl color.
It's just, usually, you dress girl babies pink and then blue. Unless Mary's also... No, but it doesn't sound like a girl. I mean, the boy thing. Okay, all aboard! Oh, did you hear the park is open? Yes, I heard the park is open. Park! Yay, play in the grass. It's the station. Ah, there's people crawling on this train. What do we do? I know what to do. Brum, brum. Brum, 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 brum. Pedal, 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 pedal. This will solve all the problems. If you haven't already, smash the like button and subscribe right now. And hit the bell if you want to stay notified. If you don't, well, why wouldn't you want to? Because we post awesome Calico critter videos a lot. Right, guys? Yeah, except for this was my first one. It wasn't my first one. Oh, mine either. Oh, well, you're just special. I guess I'm special. Comment down below if you think I'm special. And bye!